Let's take a look at another indefinite integral that requires U substitution. This happens to be number 30 from a recent assignment we had. The indefinite integral was e to the negative 1 over x squared dx. And we've been discussing how to make that choice for u, and what we've said for these e to the u type problems is we're going to choose the exponent. And most often, that's what's going to work out for us. So let's start with that and see if it works out in this case. We're going to say that u equals negative x. Remember, you can think of that as negative 1 times x to the negative 1 for our derivative. So the derivative, du over dx, that's going to be, something like x to the negative 2. And that's positive. And again, you can think of that as, I'm going to put or here, or 1 over x squared, right? That's how we think of that. So when you solve for dx, this time dx is actually x squared du. So when I substitute that in here, that's good news because that x squared is going to cancel the yellow x squared that's already there. So here's our new indefinite integral. We're going to have e to the u now because we replaced the negative 1 over x. Currently, there's still an x squared there that we haven't dealt with yet, but we're about to deal with it. Because we're going to multiply, instead of by dx, we're going to put x squared du. And then that's great news because these guys cancel. And so your job then just becomes to do one of our favorite indefinite integrals of all time, the antiderivative of e to the u, which is just e to the u plus c. But we don't want to stick with u. We're going to replace that u with that negative 1 over x. So this thing becomes e to the negative 1 over x plus c. That's what this indefinite integral equals. And so that one didn't turn out to be too bad, again, but that making that critical choice for choosing u to be the exponent is how you handle that. So this one wasn't too bad, a quick little video, but hopefully it helped you. And you know where to find me if you need me, but in the meantime, take care.